What's up guys? Your boy Robot Voice here. In today's video we will be looking at the top 3 eBay turbo kits for a K-Swap Honda. Hope you enjoy the video. Number 3 Street Demon Series Turbo Package. Street Demon Series Turbo Package for K-Series Honda powered vehicles. The most complete turbo package available for K-engine Hondas. This package has all new quality parts that are capable of producing well beyond 485 horsepower at 25 plus psi with supporting modifications and a built motor. This is the most complete package available compared to others at an affordable price. On a stock motor the kit will give the motor a 100 horsepower gain on a low boost setting of 8 psi. Includes a cooling solution for a hot turbocharged engine. Also, the included electronic turbo timer provides a hassle-free operation of precisely calculating the cool-down period to ensure a proper cool-down for your turbocharged motor. Works with either automatic or manual gearboxes. The turbocharger connects the exhaust via downpipe that might be required. Lastly, this kit keeps your air conditioning and power steering for a great street setup. Number 2 Fastway Racer DC5 EP3. This turbocharger kit perfect upgrade your car and get more boost. It is good for custom make project. This kit can max up to 400 horsepower. This kit fits every Honda K-Series chassis from K-swapped CRXs, Civics, Integras, Civic Si EP3 and RSXs. Recommended for 2.0 liters to 2.4 liters engine displacements. This downpipe fit SRSX chassis only. Send us a message via eBay if you don't need the downpipe. This kit doesn't come with the bolts for turbo manifold and turbocharger. We offer 1-year warranty for this turbocharger kit if it is installed by OSA certified mechanic. Number 1 EP3 K-Series Side Mount Turbo Kit. When it comes to adding power to your EP3 we've got you covered with our new line of turbo systems. Our systems features T304 stainless steel construction, thick SCH10 manifold runners, TIG welded, and made in the USA, right here in-house. And of course we back this up with a lifetime warranty. Designed as a bolt-on application, with a wide variety of turbo sizes to suit your needs. Links to all turbo kits available below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for new car videos every week.